Wondering how to book a vacation that combines flights, hotels, and cruises? If you want a vacation that brings flights, hotels, and a cruise into one simple plan, look for a combined travel package or a bundle. It's the easiest way to keep everything connected without managing separate bookings. Many travel providers offer air and cruise bundles or pre- and post-cruise hotel stays that are already matched to the ship's schedule. Some cruise lines offer airfare discounts and provide 24-hour assistance to ensure that you don't miss your ship if your flight is delayed or canceled. Good packages handle flight arrival times, airport transfers, and the timing you need to board the ship without rushing. It takes a lot of stress out of day one. Next, check the hotel options. Most packages place you close to the port or in the city center, so you can settle in or explore before you sail. A pre-cruise night is especially helpful if you want a relaxed start to the trip. The real benefit of booking everything together is that the logistics are already handled. Transfers, timing, and connections all match, and you don't have to keep track of separate reservations. In the end, a bundled package makes the whole trip feel a lot easier, so you can focus on the vacation, not the planning. Follow us for more tips on planning your perfect Alaska cruise.